Use a rational exponent to rewrite the radical expression and vice versa. Okay, here's the rational to radical way. And first we want to go over and do some notes here. Here is the nth root of a.
What was that?
What that means is a to the 1 over n. So when you see a square root of 3, that's actually the second root of 3, and that's 3 to the 1/2. So it's just 1 over the root number. This is the cube root of 27, which is 27 to the 1/3. That's all you do. And you can see 27 happens to be 3 to the 3rd. To the 1/3 power would cancel out, and you would just get 3. And of course the cube root of 27 is 3. So it all works the same way. So let's go back over to this one. Here you have an expression. We want to write it with a radical, which means we want to key on this 3. So what you do is you take the numerator and put the expression to the numerator. Then on the outside of all that, that's where you put the 1/3. So following the exponent rules, 2 times 1/3 is 2/3. So these two are equal. And then you just put the inside part right in here, inside of a cube root. See, cube root. But of course what I did is I simplified this in the same step. 11 squared is 121. X squared is x to the 4th. And y squared is y squared. And then I realized this may not happen, or sometimes it comes up, that you have an x to the 4th in here, which can be simplified outside the radical. What you do is you write x to the 4th as x times x to the 3rd, so that the cube root of x to the 3rd will come out perfect. So then you rewrite using the radical rules. You can break up as a product, and you have the cube root of x cubed, that's that one, times the rest of the cube root of the remaining stuff, 121x and y squared. That's this. Then you take the cube root of x cubed, which now you can see as x cubed to the 1/3 power, cancels out and you just get x. And it's the cube root of the rest of the stuff. Okay, that's that direction. Now radical to rational. Here's a radical expression. As I said before, you just take the cube root and write it as 1/3. So you put the inside part inside the parentheses, and then you use the exponent rules. 2 times 1/3 is 2/3, and then you usually try to write it up in the numerator, unless it says positive exponents. If it says positive exponents, then that'd be it. But if you just want to write it in the numerator, it would be 5 to the negative 1/2, meaning the reciprocal.